Mama, I want to tell you something. Listen to me, no, please. You know, Mama, he was so sweet. He gave me chocolates, ice creams. I liked him so much.
He was a very cheerful, humorous, fun-loving guy, and very good-looking, smart, good height, and all that. So we got really. It was very quick that we mingled with him. He used to play with us. Also, we had a garden outside our house, so we used to play there after the studies. And he used to take us for ice cream or chocolates also. And that's how that was a person who used to teach us.
Arish,
हाँ बारेन
Mema.
He used to frequent our house quite often. We used to every for my haircuts. I don't remember of having gone alone for a haircut ever since he came into our lives.
You told me not to talk to anybody. But he wasn't a stranger.
When you are a child, you don't think of anybody as a stranger. So I didn't have all those inhibitions or talking to people, and I never thought that anybody could harm me.
He used to be like a brother to me, घर का he used to help me around the house. मेरे को कुछ चाहिए तो my husband was like, he never used to do anything for the house. Like मेरे को कुछ चाहिए तो he used to go to the market, get for me. कुछ मिक्सी रिपेयर हो गया, immediately repair करके. तो you really look after him, look up to him like.
Was he bad? I don't really know.
Most often, it is somebody very close and somebody the child trusts and loves who abuses them. So then they go into the state of confusion and they do not understand what is really happening. So when that happens, they rarely report it to their parents. Also, the entire social stigma about talking about sex, the whole taboo that it is associated with, it hampers any sort of communication between children and the parents.
I had gone to meet Granny when he asked me to touch his
hair, eyes, mouth, इसका तो body, ये finger, then leg. इस तरह से बताएंगे.
और जो बाकी रह गए दो उसको कैसे बताएंगे?
बाकी का पता ही नहीं है, क्या बताएंगे.
अगर आपका बच्चा आपसे आके पूछे कि उसको क्या बोलते हैं या कैसे आप उनको समझाएंगे, तो कैसे समझाएंगे? क्या है वो?
पता लगाएंगे इसके बारे में.
अच्छा, और अगर आपका लड़का आके आपसे पूछे तो कैसे बताएंगे?
ऐसे ही बताएंगे. आईज है, नोज़ है, ईयर्स है, आर्म्स है, बॉडी है, और हैंड है, लेग है, और इसको मालूम नहीं है इसको.
तुम्ही मला सांगा गर्ल्सचं पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी.
केस आहेत, डोळे, तोंड, छाती, हे बेंबी आहे, निकर आहे आणि हे पाय.
हे निकरचे आधी पार्ट ऑफ द
चड्डी.
बॉडी.
हां
पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, निकर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी तर नाही आहे ना.
नाही ना.
मग तुम्ही मला त्याच्यासाठी काय शब्द सांगणार?
हे योनीचा भाग आहे का?
ते पोटाच्या खाली
पोटाच्या
जे काय
खालचा
आहे,
भाग आहे.
हो, ते काय आहे? तुम्ही काय सांगणार? जर कोणी तुम्हाला विचारलं पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी तर तुम्ही काय सांगणार?
योनी आहे.
योनी आहे. ते तसंच मी तुम्हाला विचारते, पोटाच्या खाली मुलाचा जे भाग आहे ते तुम्ही काय सांगणार?
Why don't parents, why didn't you educate me about...
Because I myself was not educated.
Oh, so that's what. It's not about education. Perima was there in the house. She was going
Even
for
she was
British
not.
Council. So so it was
See,
ignorance.
It doesn't bring, because
See,
you have
when-
degrees, it doesn't mean you are educated.
No, no. I'm talking about two different things. Is it ignorance? No, you're talking about your ignorance. I'm talking about my innocence. So I was innocent and you were ignorant. So both of us are at fault. I mean, and more at fault, for me, innocence came as a virtue.
But when I said no, he got very angry. He jumped and ate me up. I shouted for you, Mom. I really did.
Sometimes he used to send my brother inside for to fetch water, or to do something or the other. I was alone. I used to be alone with him in the room, and in the living room where he used to teach us, and the door was normally kept closed while we were studying, because sometimes it was like my mother was used to watch television in the other room and the voice used to come, so it was like that. So the door was closed sometimes, and that was the time when he used to ask me to come and sit on his lap, and it happened that he used to ask me to uh, pull take my t-shirt up, and he used to put his hand on my chest, and that time I don't know how did I feel, because I didn't realize it that time, but he used to say that you are too small right now and all that. I just remember that word, that you're too small right now.
My uncle first abused me when I was 7 years old, and it went on for around 11 years or so. It actually started while he was giving me a bath, and he had given me a bath even before, and there was nothing that I was scared of or any this thing. I was just 6.5, 7 years old. At that age, I didn't find it very. I didn't find it strange, or neither did my family members or anyone find it strange that he's giving me a bath. And this was the first time when he was giving me a bath, he completely stripped. You know, not even an underwear. Otherwise, he would be wearing an underwear. He was without an underwear at that time. And while he was soaping me, and to be very frank, he was soaping me in my private parts and all of that. Again, that was not something that I found objectionable or anything of that kind. While he was doing all of this, he suddenly told me that I should be sucking him off, and he had complete intercourse with me to an extent that that I bled.